Everyone can teach English, but we make you speak. Unlock your voice and start speaking today.
So, Meg, we are talking about clothes, and you always look nice at work. You have a very nice fashion sense.
Oh, thank you.
So, you must go shopping a lot.
I do go shopping sometimes. It's fun to go shopping and buy new clothes, especially when it's a new season.
Like what do you like to wear per season? For example, what do you like to wear in winter?
Mm. In the winter, it's pretty cold, so I like to wear sweaters. Sometimes a t-shirt with a sweater over it to stay warm. Lots of long sleeve shirts. I like to wear long sleeve shirts, and I still wear skirts in the winter. So sometimes I wear tights underneath the skirts to stay warm.
What about dresses? Do you like to wear dresses?
I do like to wear dresses. In the winter, it's a good time actually to wear sweater dresses. They're warm and a dress, so it's nice for work.
Sweater dresses.
Mm. Have you
But
seen a sweater dress
I have
before?
I have
Before?
no idea what a sweater dress is.
Mm.
What is a sweater dress?
It's a dress but made of sweater material. So sweater
Ah,
cloth made into a dress. So it's very warm.
okay. I was picturing a sweater with a skirt attached to it.
You might find that, but I think a sweater dress is a little different.
Okay. What about in the summer?
In the summer, I love to wear flip-flops. It's my favorite thing to wear. So I often wear flip-flops with jeans or shorts, skirts again. I don't wear tights in the summer because it's too hot.
Right. Do you wear flip-flops to work?
I can't wear flip-flops to work. So when I go to work, I often wear high heels or flats, some dress shoes.
Okay. Oh. So, do you like to wear shorts or skirts? Which do you prefer?
Mm, I prefer shorts because it's more comfortable and easy to move around. But I also can't wear shorts to work. So I have many summer skirts for work.
Okay. Now, let's talk about shoes.
Mm,
So, women often have many types of shoes, high heels, boots, flats, like you
mm.
just said, sneakers. So, what kind of shoes besides flip-flops do you like to wear?
I do have many pairs of shoes, and so I like to wear flats and sandals, especially in the summer. In the winter, I like to wear boots and rain shoes when it rains, or rain boots. When I'm exercising, I like to wear sneakers or tennis shoes. Because it's good for your feet.
All right. Now, you travel a lot. We both travel a lot. What shoes do you usually take when you travel?
When I travel, I usually take flats because they're easy to remove at the airport and they're light and convenient for traveling.
All right.
What shoes do you usually use?
Just my sneakers.
Mm.
So, my sneakers I wear everywhere. Now, women sometimes have accessories,
Mm.
like earrings, necklaces, scarves, things like that. What do you like to wear?
I like to wear necklaces, especially long necklaces. I don't like necklaces that are too short. It feels uncomfortable. I don't like to wear bracelets or a watch because I don't like anything on my wrist. But I do love to wear rings. I usually wear one ring on each hand just for fashion, not for anything special.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, cool. Well, anyway, thanks, Meg.
Thank you.